Hello, boys and girls. Guess what? We have graduated from our Unit 2 Decodable Reader in our Grade 1 journeys. And now we're doing Unit 3 Decodable Reader in our Grade 1 journeys. And so, looks like these stories might be about nature, near and far, just like our theme is. And so we're going to start off with a story called Seth and Beth. I wanted to tell you a little bit about common nouns and proper nouns. Okay? Like a regular old noun is like a person, place, thing, animal. So let's just look at some common nouns. It looks like I don't know what kind of animals those are. They might be maybe they're beavers, maybe they're some kind of chipmunks. I don't know. Let's have a look. He looks like a beaver. Okay, these are just common nouns. Beaver, fox. Um, I don't even know what those animals are. Duck, frog. These are just common nouns. Okay. I don't want to call it a monkey because monkeys have longer tails, but it might be a monkey. But anyways, the point is there's nothing special. They're just animals, and I named them by their names. Their common names. Frog, mystery animal, okay, duck. You get the idea. But once I start using their special names, the special given names of people, places, animals, then I have to start putting capital letters in front of them. So for example, these two characters right here are Seth and Beth. Okay, so I would have to begin with a capital letter for their special names. Okay, those are their proper names, Seth and Beth. Okay, this character in the story, um, I think this one is Ben. Ben is a fox, and that's his special name, Ben. They're going to be seeing a character named Bob Frog. That's his special name. So this is the proper noun, not the common noun. The proper one always begins with a capital letter. Your first and your last name, whether you're an animal like Bob Frog or a human like um, Ben Gillum, that's my son's name, you always start with a capital letter. And it looks like this beaver is named Sam. Sam, it begins with a capital letter. His proper name begins with a capital letter. Sam is a proper noun. And then Huck Duck. Look at how both his first and his last name begin with a capital letter. That's his special name. He's just a duck, and duck is not capitalized. But his special name is a proper noun, and it begins with capital letters. Also, they're going to be going to a place called Blue Pond. I could just say pond. That's the common noun. But when I say the special name of this pond, it becomes a proper noun, and you need to begin with capital letters. So, Blue Pond. So now we're going to go ahead and read that story. I will read it to you. And actually, just go ahead and read it with me. Ready? The name of this story is, Seth and Beth. Seth and Beth. Seth and Beth met at the path. Beth has a big map. It can help. They will go and see Bob Frog. So they have a map someplace. They're going to see Bob Frog. This trip is far. Seth and Beth pass Ben. Ben can see them. There's Ben. Seth tips his cap. Then Ben tips his cap. So tipping must be that they take it off and sort of raise it to the other person to show that they're friendly. They're tipping their caps. This trip is far. Beth and Seth pass Sam. Sam can see them. Seth and Sam tip their hats. So I suppose if you're a hiker and you're hiking down a path and you see another hiker and you have a cap on, you tip it. That's like a social skill that backpackers know about, and it shows that you're friendly. Beth and Seth pass Huck Duck. There's Huck Duck, and that's his special name, so they capitalized it. They are at Blue Pond. That's the special name of that pond. Blue Pond. Huck can see them. Where is Bob Frog? Beth yells. Does Bob Frog live here? Seth asks. Bob Frog is in this pond, Huck quacks. Get up, Bob Frog, Seth and Beth call. Play with us. This is fun. It is fun. So they have their beach ball. They went all the way over there to play with him. Sometimes to get to special lakes or ponds, you have to hike. They don't just have them next to you in the city. You have to go outdoors. Go out into nature. Take a hike out to a pond or a lake. Okay, boys and girls, thank you for reading that. Toodaloo.